What are credit cards? Monkeys use leaves to pay for bananas. Monkey eat banana. Life good. Monkey want more banana but doesn't have the leaves to pay for them. So monkey use a leaf card. This card allows monkey to buy bananas now and pay later. Monkey is borrowing leaves from monkey bank. How do credit cards work? When monkey uses leaf card to buy bananas, the monkey bank pays for those bananas. Monkey now owes the bank those leaves. Monkey has around 30 days to pay back the leaves. If monkey pays back the leaves in time, everything is fine. If not, well, we'll talk about that in a minute. How do you get a credit card? First, monkey go to the monkey bank. But monkey bank won't give leaf cards to just any monkey. Monkey have to prove they pay for things regularly. They pay back leaves they owe and they pay back on time. All this information goes into one number called a credit score. This is a number monkey banks use to decide how likely you are to pay back your leaves on time. The better monkey score, the more likely they are to be approved for a leaf card and the more leaves they are allowed to borrow. In the US, a score above 740 is good. A score above 800 is very good. While anything below 580 is not worth eating, I mean not good. Credit limit. But using a leaf card doesn't mean monkey has unlimited leaves. In fact, most beginner cards only let monkey borrow around 1,000 leaves. But as monkey bank trust monkey more, they allow more leaves to be borrowed. But why use credit cards instead of your own money? There are a few reasons. Maybe monkey can't afford to buy bananas now, but can afford to pay in smaller amounts over time. Maybe monkey want to build up credit score so monkey banks trust them with larger loans like a car or a house or anything. Maybe an unexpected expense has come up. Monkey needs to borrow leaves to pay for it. Leaf cards are also generally more secure. If someone steals monkey's card, monkey won't lose his leaves. The leaf card uses the bank's leaves. Monkey banks are usually very quick to stop thieves from using monkey's card. Leaf cards are also safer against scams. If monkey accidentally buys fake bananas, the monkey bank will step in to help because it's their leaves at risk. But the biggest reason most monkeys sign up are rewards. Monkey banks want monkeys to use leaf cards, so they give monkeys bonuses for doing so. Rewards can be extra leaves, banana points to use for banana hotels, banana restaurants, or car rentals, banana miles to use for monkey flights, or gift cards to use at specific monkey stores. Most cards offer a sign-up bonus. If monkeys spend a certain amount in the first few months, monkey get more rewards. The different types of credit cards. Different leaf cards have different bonuses. Some monkeys prefer discounts on everyday banana shopping. Some prefer to build up banana points for monkey holiday. Some cards are only available to the most wealthy and elite monkeys. These cards are rumored to include free flights, hotels, and event tickets because you know who needs free things. Rich monkey leaf cards sound pretty good. Monkey can use monkey bank's leaves and even get perks for doing so. It's a win-win. What could possibly go wrong? Applause, music, credit card debt. This is the negative side of leaf cards. This is what happens if monkey doesn't pay back leaves on time. If monkey doesn't pay back all the leaves they borrowed, monkey bank will charge them extra. Interest rates. These are called. Interest just means extra cost. It's the cost of borrowing leaves. An interest rate is just a percentage of the total amount of leaves monkey owe. Stay with me now. So if monkey borrow 100 leaves with an interest rate of 10%, monkey have to pay back the 100 leaves plus 10 leaves for interest. Interest rates are only added when monkey doesn't pay back full amount of leaves on time or only pays the minimum. Compound interest. Many monkeys confused by compound interest. Mainly because it's not very interesting. I've never known the touch of a woman. Basically, compound interest is monkey bank charging extra for everyday monkey doesn't pay back leaves. They charge a percentage of monkey's debt, which keeps getting bigger everyday monkey doesn't pay back leaves. Let's break it down. Music, monkey borrows 100 leaves from the monkey bank with a monthly interest rate of 2%. But after 1 month, monkey forgets to pay them back. So, the monkey bank adds 2% of 100, which equals 2 leaves to monkey's debt, which is now 102 leaves. After 2 months, the bank adds 2% of 102, which equals 2.04 leaves to monkey's debt, which is now 104.04 leaves. After 3 months, the bank adds 2% of 104.04, which equals 2.08 leaves to monkey's debt, which is now 106.12 leaves. This amount seems small but can add up quickly. And the more leaves Monkey borrow, the more interest Monkey have to pay. Remember, it's 2% of Monkey's new debt every day, not the original 100 leaves. This is one of the reasons leaf card debt is so hard to get out of. Every day Monkey doesn't pay, Monkey's total debt goes up. Technically, Monkey could only pay back the minimum to avoid additional late fees, but Monkey will still get hit with interest. And most of the leaves will go towards that interest instead of towards reducing Monkey's original debt fees. To get leaf card set up, Monkey Bank will sometimes charge setup fee. If monkeys don't pay back leaves in time, Monkey Bank will charge late fee just to have leaf card for a year. Some monkey banks will charge an annual fee. Monkey want to take leaves out of Leaf ATM? There's a fee. Monkey use card too much fee. Monkey not use card enough fee. Monkey want to buy bananas from other monkey country. F feet. Monkey try to buy 2005 film starring Emma Thompson. Nanny McPhee. No coffee for me. I'll just have tea. I don't want no feet. I just want to be. The op's trying to catch me, but I'm in a tree cause I'm a monkey. Oh, __, sorry about that. Tips for credit cards. This is not financial advice. Please do not sue Monkey. But if Monkey was going to get a credit card, Monkey would remember these things. Credit cards are powerful tools, and with great power comes great responsibility. Credit cards are not free money. Monkey should always check the APR or annual percentage rate first. This shows Monkey's interest rate for the year, including some other fees. Monkey should pick a card or cards that give rewards on things Monkey uses most. Monkey only spend what Monkey can afford to pay within the month. If Monkey want to keep credit score good, Monkey try to only spend 30% before paying back. Monkey makes sure to track all expenses. Monkey set up reminders to pay off credit card bill, and Monkey always pay back in full. Thanks for watching. Monkey is still blown away by how many monkeys have joined. The True Monkey has also launched a Patreon if any monkeys are interested. It has everything from your name being featured in the credits to custom monkey drawings. All tiers get behind the scenes content. Here's a quick look at that. Like, that just does not look quite right. Why does that not look right? I'm getting close to being like, you know what, this is just good enough. Plus, a portion from every tier will go